Consider this example. Use a factor tree to help simplify the following fraction to its lowest terms, 90 over 324. So let's consider this on the next slide. And I'm going to start off with the numerator, which is the 90 floating into position. And because I'm producing a factor tree, I need to ask what two numbers, when multiplied together, will give me 90. And you branch to those, as you can see below, because 9 times 10 is 90. We then consider the 9, and we ask what two numbers can you multiply together to give you 9? And we branch to those two numbers, which is 3 and 3, as you can see there. We now turn our attention to the 10 and ask the same question. What two numbers, when multiplied together, will give me 10? And I've identified the 2 and the 5. Now, if you consider all of these numbers here, they're at the end of a branch and they're all prime numbers. And that tells us we can't go any further. Once the end of a branch is a prime number, you stop. You don't go further with any more branches. Now we can express the 90 in terms of the product of the prime numbers at the end of the branches. So in other words, we can write down 90 as equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We've used all of these numbers here, as you can see. And if you were to multiply all of these together, you will see that you get 90. We will now turn our attention to the denominator, which you can see floating into position here. And we ask what two numbers can multiply together to give you 324. And the answer is 4 and 81. Now you turn your attention to the 4 and you ask what two numbers will multiply together to give us 4, and you branch to those. And of course the answer is 2 times 2. We now turn our attention to the 81. What two numbers will multiply together to give you 81? And the answer is 9 times 9. We now turn to the 9 and we ask what two numbers will multiply together to give us 9? And the answer is 3 times 3. Now we must do the same for the other 9, and of course that's also going to be 3 times 3. Now if you look at the end of each of the branches, I'll highlight them now, you can see they are all prime numbers, and we know therefore that the branches will stop. All of these numbers are then multiplied together. So 324 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And we achieve this by producing a factor tree. Moving on, we can write out that 90 is expressed in terms of its prime factors as 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. And 320 is, as you see, coming into view. We now pair up. So you can see that I've got a pair here of 2 goes with 2. I've got 3 goes with 3. I've got 3 goes with 3. Now, of course, what about this 2? Well, we don't pair that up with anything here because the only 2 that's on this line is this one, and it's already been paired up. Likewise, these 3s cannot pair up with anything here because the 3s that appear here have already been paired up. What about the 5? Well, the 5 doesn't appear here, so we can't create a pair with the 5. We then take note of each of the numbers that appear in the pairs. So we can start off by looking at the first pair and we consider the 2. The next pair we can see is a 3, and the next pair is also a 3. These three numbers are then multiplied together, and we have 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 equals 18. So I can express this as being equal to 18. Now it's the case that what we've just done is found the highest common factor, which is 18. And I'm going to take this newfound information onto the next slide. We now consider the fraction, which you can see is 90 over 324. And the fact that we found the highest common factor means that the 18 we found is the biggest number that will divide exactly into 90, as well as also dividing exactly into 324. There are smaller numbers that will do this, but we've just found the biggest number that will divide exactly into both. So 18 divided into 90 is 5. 18 divided into 324 is 18. So you can see I've got 5 over 18, and I can express that as shown here, 5/18. The fraction 5/18 is the expression of the fraction 90 over 324 in its lowest terms. So 5/18 is the fraction in its lowest terms.